Okay, so question number 2. So this question asks, what is the derivative of ln x? So we have y equals to ln x, and we want to find the derivative of this. So what we want to do is change this into a different form so that it's easier to work with. Okay, so we know that using our ln rules, that if you raise both sides to an exponential, ln x, like this, we know that the e, the exponential, and the ln essentially cancel each other out so that it is equal to x. Okay, so now that we have this form, it's the same equation, different form, we can take the derivative a little bit easier because we know what the derivative of an exponential is. All right, I'll just write the rule here. We know that the derivative of an exponential to the exponent y, actually, in this case, I'm going to write to the exponent x because I'm taking the derivative with respect to x, is just itself. Okay, so that can be easily translated here. If we take the derivative then of this equation that we just came up with, of e to the y, and also take the derivative of the other side as well, of course. This side becomes 1 because it's just dx over dx. And this side, we get whatever the derivative of the exponential is, which we saw in the in green here from the rule, that it is just itself. But because we're taking the derivative of a function with y, we need to add in the second factor, that is the derivative of y, just acknowledging that we're taking the derivative with respect to x and not y, and that is equal to 1. So now we just need to isolate for dy by dx because that's what we're looking for. Here we can say dy by dx. We want to know what this is, right? So this is asking what is dy by dx. So rearrange for this term, and all we have to do then, well, before that actually, I'm going to sub back in x is equal to e to the y. Okay, so up here, remember we rearranged our original equation of y equals to ln x. We rearranged it so that it was in an easier form, right? So we can actually just sub that back in for x, and then we'll get, subbing that into here, we'll get x times dy by dx is equal to 1, or dy by dx is equal to 1 over x. And this effectively is the derivative of ln x. And you can confirm that because, well, up here we wrote dy by dx is equal to the derivative of ln x, and then we have it equal to 1 over x, but I was saying you can confirm that just because it's one of the rules when you're looking up the derivative for the exponential function, you'll probably also find the rule for this as well, which is equal to 1 over x. Okay? Let's say correct. Good work. And we can move on to the next question.